Hello,
Hi,
it's Joy.
and Judy from Real Change Mentoring.
Mhm. We're here to tell you about a day-long retreat that we're going to be holding in Ashland, Oregon on January 11th.
Yeah.
Just in time for the new year.
Mhm.
And the title is Get in Gear for the New Year.
Yeah. So I'm sure many of you have had the experience of making resolutions, and you go along and, you make those changes and
You're excited.
Yep, very enthusiastic. And somehow you can't sustain it, right?
Yeah.
You can't sustain the change. So anyway, this workshop that we're offering is about really offering you a way to sustain that change.
Yeah.
And
To have lasting change.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So we share our unique approach, which is quite different. We teach people a different perspective on how change happens. And we would love to share that with you.
Yeah.
And you can expect to actually make some real progress.
Yeah.
On
Exactly.
creating the changes that you want. And they can be any change that you want. It can be, do you want to lose some weight? Do you want to make more money? Do you want to have better relationships?
Right. Spend more time, have more time to do what you really enjoy and love.
Yeah. Maybe get unstuck in some particular aspect of your life.
Yeah.
So anyway, if that sounds appealing to you, we would love to have you there. And I think you will find it quite an amazing experience.
Yeah. So click on the link that is on the post, and it'll take you to tell you a little more about it and where to go to register. So again, January 11th, it'll start at 10. It'll end around 4. There'll be a lunch break. It'll be fun. We'll have a good time, and you'll have a great experience.
It'll definitely be fun.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Take care. Hope to see you there. Bye.
Yeah.